Most people enter the stock market with one goal, to make money. But very few stop to ask a simple question. What actually is the stock market? We hear stories of people doubling their wealth overnight and others losing everything in a single day. Some call it luck, others call it skill. The truth is, it's neither. The stock market isn't a casino, and it isn't a shortcut to becoming rich. It's a system, a marketplace built on ownership, value, and human psychology. If you truly want to succeed in it, you need to understand how it really works, from the meaning of a stock to what moves prices, and the principles that separate successful investors from gamblers. So, before you place your next trade, let's slow down and learn how the stock market truly functions. Welcome to Finance Master. In today's video, we're going to take you through the complete basics of the stock market, what it really is, how it works globally, and what you need to know to succeed as an investor. Whether you're someone hearing the term stock for the first time or someone who has traded before but still feels lost, this video will give you a strong foundation. So let's begin with the most basic question. What is a stock? When you buy a stock, you're not buying a piece of paper. You're buying ownership in a company. If a company has 1 million shares and you own 1,000, you own 0.1% of that business. This means you're entitled to a share of its profits, known as dividends. And your wealth grows as the company grows. In the US, companies list their shares on exchanges like New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. In India, on the NSE or BSE. In the UK, on the London Stock Exchange. And in Japan, the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Each country has its own market, but the core principle remains the same. It's a place where businesses raise money and investors buy ownership. Now, imagine the stock market as a giant auction house, where prices are determined by supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, the price goes up. When more people want to sell, the price goes down. But why do people want to buy or sell? Because of expectations. If investors believe a company will perform well, they buy. If they expect poor results, they sell. And those beliefs are influenced by many factors: company profits, news, interest rates, global events, and even human emotion, fear, and greed. Now that you understand how the market works, let's talk about how you can succeed in it. There are 3 key things. 1. Knowledge. Learn before you earn. Understand businesses, read financial statements, and follow the market. 2. Patience. Wealth in the stock market is built slowly. Even great investors like Warren Buffett made most of their fortune after years of compounding. 3. Discipline. Avoid emotional decisions. Don't buy because others are buying. Don't sell because others are panicking. Stick to your plan. The stock market rewards those who treat it as a business, not a game. When you invest with patience and understanding, you're not just buying stocks, you're buying time, growth, and opportunity. The next time you see someone promising overnight success, remember, true wealth is built by staying consistent, not by chasing trends. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to start investing the right way. And if you haven't watched our previous video, The Stock Market Lie, Why You Can't Beat Wall Street, we expose the dark truth of the stock market and why most people fail to beat professional investors. Make sure to watch it next. It will completely change the way you see the market.